Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to send your old Samsung phone in when you do an exchange and you get a new phone. So this is an old Samsung S21 Ultra. I'm going to be sending this in, getting some credit. So this is the box that my phone came in. Now you're going to want to get this, when you send this in, this is the display you want it to see. This means your phone has been factory reset. This is exactly how it would look. Now I'll turn it back off again, but then I can put it in the box, send it to them, and I'll be good to go. So on your phone, click Settings. Now in the Settings tab, you'll find a search bar. You can search Factory Reset. So as soon as I start typing it in, there it says Factory Data Reset. So you want to find, there's all kinds of different resets. You can do just the settings, the mobile network, but you want to do the factory. Reset your phone to its factory default settings. This will erase all data, including files and downloaded apps. That's what you want to do. Now, in order to do that, you're going to need 2 passwords. So if you gave your phone like a PIN, which you probably did, it's a 4-letter or digit or whatever PIN, you'll need that PIN, but you'll also need your Samsung account password, because it's going to ask for your PIN to do that reset, and then it's going to come up and ask you for your Samsung account password. And then once both of those are entered, you can reset it. The reset takes, maybe a couple minutes, and then you'll end up with this screen. Once you're at this screen, then I'm just going to turn it off, hold the button. Yeah, just hit power off, and then just hit power off. Hit it again. Now my phone's powered off. Now I can put it in the box. Now, if you look down in the box, there was a shipping label. Now this is from Samsung Direct. This is not AT&T. I did not have very good luck doing AT&T trade-ins. I actually sent them, this was a year ago, I sent them a really good phone and they said it was all cracked and everything and didn't give me any money. And contacting AT&T was absolutely awful. I ended up never getting the full price for it when I sent them an actual perfect phone. So I only do my trade-ins now with Samsung Direct. Now you're going to get a label. It is a prepaid shipping label. Now it's going to be a ground, FedEx ground, mine was a ground, and it says the word return. Prepare the box, take your label off, and keep the packing material. But this, you're going to get 2 barcodes that tells you what your return. You're going to put this in the box with the phone. But we need to package the phone first. Now, I've still got my case on it. I'm going to leave the case on it because I'm not going to need the case anymore. They probably want you to take the case off, but I think it's just going to help protect it. So you're just going to kind of wrap it up, really protect the phone. There. And you may want to put like another piece of newspaper. You want to get it so there's nothing moving around in here. Okay, I've got the label on it. I'm going to take a picture of that label so I'll have the tracking number. So just kind of a simple video, but I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.